It begins here, Head, at the FactoryPulse Brahman Ranch Division, home to over 5,000 premium and this is Raja, the largest of them all. What his horns become, you'll see with your own eyes. But not yet. For the man who raised him, Raja is more than the biggest bull on this ranch. He is the standard. Every animal here has a complete digital history. Health, growth, bloodline. Raja's record is flawless. Tag number 1. From this moment, Raja leads the group that carries his name.
Before any journey begins, there is one final authority. Pei, the ranch's senior veterinarian.
Morning, Doc.
Morning, Mark.
Heart, lungs, condition, flawless. Raja passes with ease, the clear standout even among giants.
02, 03, 04, 05.
One by one, the chosen giants are tagged. 18 in total, the Raja group.
18 giants, one column frame, and at its head, the bull whose horns started this story.
All right, Raja, let's go. Good boy.
Keep him moving.
Confirmed. Ray J, 17 aboard.
16 is in, ramp up. All ramps, simultaneous lock.
Lock confirmed.
Confirmed.
Bid. By the time this journey ends, what these trucks carry will be worth more than the animals themselves.
At the Leather and Horn Division, a full team works around the clock teams, and this is their most important arrival of the year.
And here they are, tendons, inside. Even a floor full of professionals stops to look.
18 tags, 18 scans, 18 green lights. The Raja group is officially received. Before anything else, rest, feed, water. FactoryPulse standards apply to every stage, especially this one.
Under complete veterinary supervision, the horns are carefully collected post, painless, precise, and humane.
Stage 1, ultrasonic cleaning. Every surface, every curve, down to the microscopic level. Stage 1, ultrasonic cleaning. Every surface, every curve, opaques, down to the microscopic level.
Washed and dried fide, and already, one pair stands apart. Length, density, curvature, surface, grade A.
Grade A.
Until the machine finds what no eye can see. Not every pair survives the arch.
And then the arch slows down, not because something is wrong, but because it has never measured anything like this. Grade A.
From grading to manufacturing, 30 CNC stations, 40 engineers, one purpose.
Station by station, the grade A pairs begin their transformation. Precision measured in tenths of a millimeter. And there it is. Inside the largest horns ever graded breek, a pattern no one in this facility has ever seen. One pair of horns. 12 matched panels. Every single one carrying the same impossible pattern. Every edge ground to perfect square. Every face refined. The pattern only grows more vivid. Panels, leather, hardware, every element of something extraordinary, now in one case. Next,
The assembly atelier, where machines hand over to masters. And this master has waited 30 years for a material like this.
the finest full-grain leather, cut in single strokes. Hesitation leaves marks, mastery leaves none. And here Hillam, for the first time to Turim, Raja's horn meets its leather. Amber fire against midnight black.
2 needles, 1 hole, the saddle stitch, unchanged for 300 years, because nothing stronger has...
And then Frumiad, the moment every craftsman lives for. The flat becomes the form. Solid brass, gold finished, each piece seated by hand. Jewelry new for a bag built like armor.
The handle, rolled by palm, stitched by hand, hung like a crown.
Inside, amber suede, matched to the marbling it protects. Even the hidden surfaces are extraordinary. Edged, painted, sealed, and burnished. Assembly foes complete. But before this bag can carry the FactoryPulse name, it must survive the one room that shows no mercy. Assembly builds the bag. Finishing gives it a soul. And this one is about to receive the finest soul in the building.
2,000 grit, then 4, then 8. Each pass invisible on its own, together the difference between good and legendary.
And this is the moment. Watch the surface. From stone to glass in a single pass. Nobody believes horn can look like this.
Rouge, cloth, and patience. Hardware finished like jewelry, because at this level, it is jewelry.
Steamed, brushed, perfected. Because whoever owns this bag will open it 1,000 times a prail, and it must be extraordinary every single time.
One cloth, one motion, and every material, leather, horn, gold, finally speaks with a single voice.
Signed by the hands that finished it. In 30 years, she has signed fewer cards than you might think. Finished. Every surface, every stitch, every gleam. Tomorrow, it enters the one. This is the Quality Control Center. No reputation enters here. No history. Only results.
11 cameras. 40,000 data points. The machine sees what no human eye ever could. Stitch density, 9 per inch. Deliation, 0. The master craftsman's hands do not miss. 500 clasp cycles. 50 kilograms on every ring. Jewelry that tests like engineering. 20 kilograms. 40. 60. The certification limit is 15. The handle does not even flex. Desert heat. Arctic cold. Monsoon humidity. 1 hour in here is 10 years of ownership hoard, and nothing on this bag moves.
And there it is. A single seam, a fraction loosed, invisible to you, unforgettable to this room.
Certified, the highest score in this room's history. The merciless room, Bien, conquered.
One bag stays behind. One makes history. Next Veet, the send-off this creation deserves. From the merciless room to the gentlest hands in the building, the send-off begins. Layer 1, brushed cotton, embroidered, made for this bag alone. Even its cover is couture. Layer 2, the presentation case. The first thing its owner will ever see Fryman's, and they will remember it forever. Certificate number 001. Because there has never been another like it, and there may never be again. And now, machine precision. A fit measured in millimeters. A grip measured in grams.
48 cartons to a pallet. And one of them rides on top Punku, where it belongs. 60 revolutions. Locked tight for 6,000 kilometers.
The global export hub tie, the last room this creation will ever see in the building where it was born.
Loaded. One container, one pallet, one bag unlike anything on Earth. Tomorrow, Fiend, the world.